In today's video, I'll teach you how to add stickers in TikTok comments. So first of all, launch open TikTok on your device. Now you can see over here, TikTok has been opened. Simply find the TikTok video or post where you would like to comment. After you do that, tap on the comment icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to post your comment. If you want to add the stickers, what you have to do is simply look right over here on your screen. You'll be able to add the comment from here. Likewise, you'll be able to find various icons over here. So tap on this icon that you can see on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add the stickers over here. If you look at the top, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the type of sticker that you would like to add. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see bunch of stickers over here. So find the sticker that you would like to comment and tap on that particular sticker. Now you can see over here, you can add your comment if you want. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your comment has been posted. So like this, you'll be able to add the stickers to the comment. So that is how you add stickers in TikTok comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.